All right, guys, so I've got a 66 Ford Army truck. I've got a copper, and we are going to head out from Western North Carolina from the Best Stanley Mountain Farm and head back to the Best Stanley Homestead. So it's going to be a long trip hauling this big heavy booger. It's always a long trip with this guy. We'll let you know when we all get back. All right, everybody, so this is the view from inside the old truck. And I'm going to take you guys on the ride from beautiful Western North Carolina down to Columbus, Georgia, on the dash of a 1966 Ford F-250. Hope you guys enjoy the ride. everybody. We are down in Tallulah, Georgia, and the copper pot had to get out and go potty. So we're letting him out. Pretty little area if you've never been around here. Tallulah Falls, Georgia, real pretty waterfalls, good area. And I thought I'd give y'all a little update on our situation here and what's been going on. So nothing really worked to plan. Go figure, Aaron's luck. So Papa Hugh was going to let me borrow his D350, his big dually truck. I was going to bring the old Army truck down behind that. Started getting the trailer hooked up. Of course, his taillights went out. I guess it was the light switch. So without lights, I obviously couldn't bring it home. So I said, well, we'll just put it behind my Ford. I tell you what, my old Ford there, she's a beast. Now, we're in North Georgia, so we're out of the big mountains of North Carolina. It got interesting, let me tell you. 25 miles an hour, just pedal literally full throttle all the way down. But it pulled, it came up, and we got trailer brakes. You guys watch those videos. If you haven't, you can see the videos of us doing the trailer brakes on our trailer. So everything's going good so far. Well, back up a little bit. Everything's going good now. So I leave the Best Family Mountain Farm, and 45 minutes in, it starts raining. My windshield wipers go up. Aaron's luck, right? Stopped out of parts, trying to get stuff to fix it. Nope, not happening. Not working. It's raining. You'll see it raining, or you've already seen it raining on the trip. But thank goodness I keep a little rain X in my truck, so we were able to keep going. Looks like on the radar we're not going to hit anything, any worse rain, so I think we're going to be all right. Interesting trip. And this guy here, he is just like a little baby. As soon as I put him in the truck, he passes out and goes to sleep, which is good for the trip, but it's not going to be good for me when I get home at about 11 o'clock tonight. He's going to be fired up and ready to go. Well, we're about 2.5 hours in to probably a 7-hour trip. Any other, if I didn't have the trailer in the truck, it's like a 4.5-hour trip. But we can only go about 45-50 miles an hour because I'm not risking anything. So with that being said, we're gonna double check all our straps and tie downs and get back on the road. may not be able to hear me too much. We had to stop again to get gas. Obviously, to get gas. Pulling this heavy trailer with heavy truck. We just won't talk about it. What's this little turd monkey? Yeah, he was whining. He needs to go potty again. What you doing, Copper? He is ready to get home. I know. And we're about to go to Atlanta, which is my least favorite part of any trip north. Fuck Atlanta. I hate Atlanta. Alright, well, let's finish filling up, change some batteries, and get back on the road. Ooh, come on, Copper, let's go potty. Come on. Alright, everybody, so I don't know if you noticed, but Atlanta is insane. I hate going through Atlanta. For those of you who have never been through Atlanta, Atlanta is the kind of place that if you go 5 miles, 10 miles over the speed limit, you're probably gonna get rear-ended. If you go the speed limit, you're almost definitely gonna get rear-ended. And if you're going 10 under, like we were rolling through Atlanta at like 50, I cannot believe we didn't get rear-ended. It was a little bit nuts. Copper has been such a good boy this trip. I had to make it down. We're only about an hour from the house right now, but I absolutely had to make it down a couple miles. Well, we're about an hour from the house, but I had to get a little bit south of Atlanta for my blood pressure to lower a little bit, because it was nuts. It was crazy going through there. Just tried to stay in one lane, but as much as I could, man, people were honking. I know, like on the video you guys are watching, there's no audio. People were honking. I had people, you know, flipping me off because I was going 500 speed limit. Crazy. So we got down here where it's a little bit darker. Really pretty moon out right now. I went and got me and the Copper Pot some Arby's. I normally don't give Copper much table food. He's usually not that spoiled, but he's been such a good boy that I did get him a Arby's roast beef sandwich. So I'm gonna dig that out and my sandwich out. And we're gonna eat some dinner, and then we're gonna get the last hour. Whoops, sorry. We're gonna get about the last hour back to the house. That's Daddy's. Here's Copper's. There you go. Copper. Look, Copper. Hang on. Here you go. Copper. Nope, nope, nope. Here, look. Copper. Copper. In case you guys haven't noticed, that is one spoiled hound dog. Hey, come on. Come here.
No, eat your sandwich. Eat your sandwich. Copper, do you like your sandwich? I think Copper likes his sandwich. You know, only an hour from home, I probably just had an extra 30 minutes. Because since he normally doesn't get food like that, he's going to have to poop in a minute. So, we just filled up with gas again. No, I don't want to talk about it. And we're gonna go potty one more time. He is still really looking for some more roast beef. I think a whole roast beef sandwich is more than enough for the little dude. And it's about time for us to get home. What do you think, Copper? What do you think? Copper, we should ready to get home? Ready to get home? He has been such a good boy. All right, everybody. We are back at the homestead. Very tired, Aaron. Very, very tired, Copper. He did super good. He was a very good boy today. And we just got home, and I'm sure he needs to go potty. So we're gonna let him go do his thing. And made it home, all in one piece. We got the 66 Army truck here. And my old F-150. Tell you what, I sure did not think that, I hoped, but I didn't think that it would be as easy as it was. I wasn't going to say anything about it until I got home. No flat tires, no breakdowns, no traffic jams on the way down. Obviously, Atlanta was a knuckle biter, but it's Atlanta, especially when you're in an old truck, pulling an old truck with a heavy trailer. Hey, can't beat it. So now all it's left is to get started working on this old truck and making a killer farm truck. But it is about midnight. Trip took about 3 hours longer than you don't normally would because it was slow. But here we are. Well, guys, if you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. And Aaron and Copper are going to go to bed. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.